Hello and welcome to tutorial number 11. In this tutorial we are going to try to get the motor on the brake running, and so we're going to use this this as our reference. It's like controlling the motors. Now if you look at the motor class here, you'll see that there's an example here for how you can run the motor, and basically it uses the motor class and the port on which that motor is, and then the method. So to do this project, this time we're going to use Eclipse, and I'm going to launch Eclipse, and I'm going to install the Eclipse plugin for the Lejos plugin for Eclipse. So I go to install new software, and I have this plugin site already in Eclipse. I'm going to put this in the video description also, but if you select this, you can say next, and it says lejos.nxt plugin. Say next, say accept, and finish, and it's going to start installing. So here we'll just wait for it to be done and restart. So as soon as it restarts, we'll be able to create a new project. To create a new project, I'm going to create a folder called 001 in Lejos apps, and I'm going to say file, new project. Now I can just make this a Java project for now, although there is a Lejos project. Okay, so let's make a Lejos project, and we'll call it Motor Tutor 1. That's the same as the name on this solution here. So we call it Motor Tutor 1, and next, finish. Now it creates a source folder, and in the source folder I'm going to create a new class called Motor Tutor 1 and say finish. And inside this class, I'm just going to copy and paste this code, and to do that, I need to find where the code is. So yeah, so I'll just copy and paste this code and paste, and just format it in Eclipse. So there you go. I have the class. Now to build this project, I could either try to clean and refresh from here, or I can build it on the command line. So for this one, let's just build it on the command line, since we're already familiar with how to do that. So I go back to my project folder. Oh, actually, I just forgot that this needs to be created in the right directory, so I'm going to actually move it from the workspace I'm in and move it in here. So now I have Motor Tutor here. So I just look at the source folder, and it has Motor Tutor 1.java. So to build it, I can say nxjc Motor Tutor 1, and it creates the class file. So there you go, that's the class file. Now I need to link, so I say nxj link -o Motor Tutor 1.nxj Motor Tutor 1, and that created the NXT file. And now to upload, I can say NXT upload Motor.A.1NXT. Now it's saying cannot find brick, so I have to power on the brick. Now after I power it on, I'm going to take this servo motor, I'm going to plug it in to port A on this brick. So there you go, that's the servo motor plugged in. Now I'm going to hold this like this while I run the command. So let's wait for, okay, yeah, so now I can say NXT upload. So it found the next, it uploaded the program, and now I'm going to bring it closer so you can see it. And as you can see, under files there's now two programs. There's the hello world from earlier, and then there's the motor tutor. So I'm going to select motor tutor and say select. Now it's saying execute program, so I select that. Now it flashes program 1, it's waiting for a key press, so I'm going to press the key and it starts moving the motor. Now it's waiting for another key press to move it in the other direction, so it's going to go backward now, and there you go, it moves backward. Now I can hit a button to stop, so hit that, it stops, goes back to the main menu. So let's see it quickly again. So select motor tutor, execute, hit the button again, and stop, and we're done. So see you in the next one.